Welcome to the immersive journey into the world of electronics in biomedical engineering, theory and repair. This course offers a unique blend of theoretical knowledge and practical skills, tailored for those intrigued by the intersection of electronics and biomedical engineering. Our course begins with a solid foundation in electronics fundamentals, from understanding basic components to analyzing circuits. Students will grasp the core principles essential for the field. Moving forward, students delve into the applications of electronics in biomedical instrumentation. They explore sensors, transducers, and amplifiers crucial for measuring vital signs and bioelectric signals accurately. We introduce digital electronics and microcontrollers, pivotal in medical device development. Through hands-on projects like Arduino with ECG, students learn to implement theory into practice. Biomedical signal processing is another critical aspect. Students analyze and process bioelectric signals, extracting valuable information vital for medical diagnosis and research. Understanding medical device technology and regulatory standards is essential. Our course provides insights into classifications, design considerations, and safety regulations governing medical devices. Practical application is at the heart of our curriculum. Students engage in hands-on projects like designing a heartbeat sensor and EMG device, applying electronics and biomedical engineering principles to innovate healthcare solutions. In the realm of troubleshooting and repair, develop structured methodologies and hands-on techniques to diagnose and rectify issues in electronic systems and medical devices. Safety protocols are paramount as you hone your skills in maintaining and repairing equipment. So the course culminates in project work, where you will apply your knowledge to real-world challenges, such as designing an EMG device for muscle signal detection. So it's an opportunity to showcase your understanding and creativity in biomedical engineering. So join us on this transformative journey into the realm of biomedical engineering. Enroll today and unlock your potential to shape the future of healthcare.